Hello people, welcome to Preethi Agencies. So in this video we're gonna see about Zodiac. So Preethi Zodiac has been in the internet for over a few years and of course in the retail stores too, but people are going gaga over it in the last 1 year because of the lockdown. People are trying to experiment a lot of things and here we are, and here is the chance where we explore what is inside a Zodiac mixer grinder and how do we use it. For the most important part, what's inside a Zodiac mixer? Well, we have the mixer grinder and the small jar here, we have the master jar here, we have the juice jar here, we have the lids, the blades, the bottom set for the juice jar for pure juices, we have the lids again, the medium jar, okay, let's get rid of all this. Let's go part by part. Boom. So we have the basic mixer grinder itself. This is a manual rotation mixer grinder with 750 watt motor. This is pretty standard. 750 watts is what people will be using across the households. Okay, let's put the machine aside. Or you can say the lifesaver of domestic homes, because this particular guy, the master chef jar, is what Zodiac is all about. This is called the base plate, this is the shaft, and this is the Atta Kneading Blade, this is the Grating Blade. Okay, there are a ton of things that this guy can do. Trust me, this guy can do wonders. For example, you take your Atta Kneading Blade and just insert it. You have the cup measurer. For every full cup of flour, you should pour half cup of water. And goes the boy, and it starts grating. How do you insert this blade? It's very simple. There is this. You have this, it will go into the hole and just snap. That's all. If you want to remove, turn this other way. Okay, here are this, just press it and off it goes. And yeah, inside. And this is the slicer blade, and the insertion is very similar. It's the same actually. Just hold it there. You insert the vegetable or the fruit from here and you get the slices bottom. The citrus presser. And that's all. It keeps rotating and you hold the half of the fruit. We have the very sharp cutting blade. You just insert into this. That's how it sits inside, and that's all. You don't have to do anything. The operation happens in pulses. You just give a pulse here to this direction, and that's all. The job gets done. That's all from the master jar. Let's get everything out of here. And another good thing about this mixer grinder is this juice jar. So usually there are two types of juices that we usually do at home. One is the pure juice, the carrot beetroot wala, and the other is the grapes banana lassi wala. So This blade, what you are seeing right now, this blade is usually used for pure juices. For example, carrot, beetroot. And this is a filter that you need to put on. And of course the lid. You just insert the fruits through this and press. You get the juice around. And one more quick tip, never use vegetables or fruits directly from the refrigerator. Soak it for at least 2 hours in water before you are using it for the grinder. And also that doesn't put a lot of load on the mixer grinder, so that it will be healthy for a good period of time. So you have a live tap here in case you are doing buttermilk, lassi. It doesn't require a lot of spins. So you just directly put it inside and bam, you just remove it and you have the juice coming out and flowing. You can collect the juice from the tap directly. Or if you want that to grind for some time or beat for some time, you just insert the rubber cork or the tap inside and get along with the operations. Now the serious question is, what if you're doing something smoother like banana or sapota or lassi? This has to go. You can have the filter. Let's put the filter aside. You have a screw here, it's a safety pin, the mixer jar here, and just pull the bottom and turn. You can see lock and unlock here. You just turn. You can remove the whole base. This is what I was talking about when I was saying you need a bigger heart and bigger pockets to buy this guy, but it's definitely worth it. So you take the other blade set, other bottom blade set, which is for the smooth juices. The bottom should be facing the coupler. The coupler goes down and this guy goes here and you just lock it. Bam, that's all. In case you are doing sapota, banana, fruits like that and you want to drink the pulp, remove this filter, right? In case you don't want to have the pulp, you can just insert the filter and the juice starts spreading around from the filter and the pulp will be inside. And for this you should not use this lid set. This is what you should be using. You should be doing. And of course, not to forget, just tighten the screw so that it will stay intact. It won't release while it's on the operation. And the rest 3 jars are common. 1, 2 and 3. So yeah, that's all with the mixer grinder. So every mixer grinder has a bottom red button. You must be wondering why this is. Sometimes the machine gets overheated and it gets overloaded, right? And due to that, the machine shuts down by itself and releases this button, and that's when you should turn off your mixer grinder for some time, wait for 15 minutes, and then you have to press this and it will automatically function. If this is not functioning properly, you need to troubleshoot your mixer grinder or take it to an authorized service center where it can be serviced. I think that is all from this video. Hope you liked it, and do throw in the comment section if you have any questions regarding anything. This is Sriteja signing off from Preethi Agencies.